Hey guys, welcome to the review of the Lancelot M1630A3 DTF printer transfer printing machine. Before diving into all the amazing features, make sure to check the link below to grab this incredible printer at the best price available today. If you're looking to elevate your DIY t-shirt printing business or personal projects, the Lancelot M1630A3 DTF printer is exactly what you need. This cutting-edge machine is designed for direct-to-film (DTF) printing, which means you can print high-quality designs directly onto transfer films that can easily be applied to fabric. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, hoodies, bags, or even other garments, this printer offers exceptional performance that will take your printing game to the next level. One of the standout features of the Lancelot M1630 is its white ink circulation system, which prevents ink clogging and ensures smooth, uninterrupted printing. This is especially important when working with white ink, which can be prone to settling and clogging in traditional systems. With this innovative feature, you can rest assured that your prints will always come out crisp and vibrant, even after extended use. The automatic cleaning system is another fantastic addition, ensuring that your printer stays in top condition without requiring constant manual maintenance. The printer will automatically clean itself after each print cycle, which helps prolong its lifespan and ensures that your prints remain high quality over time. This makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals who want a hassle-free, low-maintenance printing experience. The A3 printing size gives you plenty of flexibility, allowing you to print larger designs without having to worry about the limitations of smaller printers. This feature is perfect for those who want to create bold, eye-catching designs or print on larger items like jackets or tote bags. With the F1080 DTF technology, you'll achieve vibrant, full-color prints with exceptional detail and accuracy. The prints are long-lasting, vibrant, and able to withstand washing and wear, ensuring that your creations stay looking fresh. In addition to the amazing print quality, the Lancelot M1630 is incredibly easy to use. It comes with user-friendly software that allows you to design and print with ease. The intuitive interface makes it simple to adjust settings, ensuring that you get the best results every time. Plus, the machine is compatible with a wide range of transfer films and fabrics, offering you endless possibilities for creative expression. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your product line, or a DIY enthusiast eager to explore custom t-shirt printing, the Lancelot M1630A3 DTF printer is a fantastic choice. It's built to provide professional-grade prints and streamline your printing process, all while saving you time and money. So, what are you waiting for? Take your printing projects to the next level with the Lancelot M1630A3 DTF printer. Make sure to check out the link below to grab yours at the best price available today.